In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code calendars and events for easy tracking in Google Calendar. Color coding is a simple trick that makes your schedule much easier to understand at a glance. By assigning different colors to different types of events, you can quickly see what your day, week, or month actually looks like, without having to read every single event title. Let's get started by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you're on the calendar view you prefer. In this example, we're looking at the week view, but you can use day, week, or month view. The process is the same. To create a new color-coded event, look for the Add button, usually marked with a plus sign. It's often on the left side or the top of the screen, depending on your layout. Click on that Add button, and from the options that appear, choose Event. This opens the event creation window where you can set up all the details. In this event window, you'll see fields for the event title, date and time, location, and more. Fill out the basic information you need so this event makes sense on your calendar. Once you've done that, look for the color or highlight option. This is usually shown as a small colored circle or a palette icon. Click on that highlight area to open the list of available colors. Now you'll see a variety of color options. Click on the color you want to use for this event. For example, you might choose blue for meetings, green for personal tasks, or red for deadlines. The color you select will be applied to this event, helping it stand out in your calendar. Take a moment to think about a simple color system you'll actually remember and use consistently. After picking your highlight color, review your event details one more time. Confirm the date, time, calendar selection, and any other settings you've adjusted. When everything looks good and you're happy with the color, click on Save. Your event will now appear on your Google Calendar with the color you chose. As you repeat this process for different events, your calendar will become visually organized, making it much easier to track different areas of your life at a glance.